Like moving it.
Oh my god. This is so uncomfortable. I don't ever want to be a dog. I want to be a gay boy so freaking bad.
Locked in the crate. Wait, look at me. Oh, Shadfish. Can you imagine staying like that for 6 hours? Bella was in here for 6 hours the other day.
Yeah, well, you know what?
Can you get out? Do it again.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
This is inhumane.
She's also half your size.
I feel like fucking Houdini.
I'm gonna shit myself.
I'm bald again. I'm bald again. Right. Right. Pooper. Pooper. Pooper, come here. Come here, Roxy.
Bella, you're eating more.
Come on.
You fucking piglet.
Come here. Oh, you do exist!